Hello students, welcome to online EVS class. Students, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. Every day before we start the clapping exercise, right? Are you ready? Yes, I am also ready. Do it. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Again. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Yes, very good students. Okay, we already learned. Students, stay safe at home and keep your body become healthy. Okay. So we already learned in previous class unit 4. Which topic already learned it? Yes? Yes, very good. Water wastage. We already learned the topic is water wastage. Today class we learned, see the slide, air around our planet. Okay. Students, today class we learn about air around our planet. Okay. So what is the topic? Unit 4. Yes, very good. Water and atmosphere. Water and atmosphere. You learned the topic meaning already. Yes. Water means is a liquid form of water, and already we learned water cycle also. Yes. What are the different types of water cycle? Yes, very good. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Okay. Then what is meant by atmosphere? Anyone? Very good. The blanket of air or covered on Earth's surface is called atmosphere. Okay. Today class we learn about the topic air around our planet. Air around our planet. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Okay, students. So, do you think what are the different kinds of natural resources found on Earth? What are the different natural resources found on Earth? Yes, tell me the answer. Very good. Water. Very good. Air and soil. Yes. We are know the different kinds of natural resources, water, air and soil. These are different kinds of natural resources. This is not man-made resources. Yes, right? Today we learn about details about the air. Okay. So you know the topic today, air around our planet. Air around our planet. Okay, students. So now we do an activity part. Okay. All of you close your nostrils. Okay, close your nostrils within 1 minute. Close your nostrils within 1 minute. Okay, do it. Do it. Close your nostrils. Close your nostrils within 1 minute. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3. Start. Start the activity. Close your nostrils, all of you. Students, do it properly. Close your nostrils, do it properly. Yes. Okay. Release your hand in your nostrils. Okay. Release your hands. Now, how do you feel, students? How do you feel when you close your nostrils? Yes. We feel difficult to breathe. Okay. We feel difficult to breathe the air. Okay. We observe the air totally difficult in it. Yes. So the air is very very important for all living beings need to survive on earth. Okay. So the air is very very important natural resource is need to survive on earth. All living beings. Living beings means plants, animals, then insects, okay, human beings, okay, all living beings need to survive on earth. We need air. So air is one of the main natural resources in our life. Okay. So students, in day-to-day life, okay, how many times we eat every day? How many times we eat the food every day? Yes, there are 3 or 4 times we eat our food. Okay. So how many times we drink water in a day? How many times? Yes, there are totally 10 glasses of water. We drink it every day. Okay. So how many times we breathe in air every day? Think it or guess it the answer. Very good. So each and every second we need air compulsory in our body. Okay. So all living beings we need air in each and every second. Okay. So air is very important factor or important natural resource for all human beings. Okay. And for all living things also. Okay. So now we take a book, page number 47. Okay. Students, take a textbook, page number 10, turn the page number 47, and around our planet. Students, take it. I give a counting 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Turn the page number 47. Okay. So, I read it. You can observe the reading. Okay. And around our planet introduction part, we know that Earth is a unique planet because life exists on it in the form of plants, animals and human beings. Yes, so plants air is very important. Okay, where is air found, students? Where is air found on Earth? So this is, what is the name of the model? This is our planet Earth. Okay, so this is the Earth planet. So the air is found in the Earth atmosphere only. The air is found in Earth atmosphere. What is mean by Earth atmosphere? The blanket of air covered on Earth's surface. Okay, we are living in the Earth atmosphere. Okay, see the surroundings. See the surroundings. So the surroundings is full of covered or filled with air. Yes, you know already only it can feel it. So what are the properties of air? You already learned in the third previous lessons. Okay, what are the properties of air? We cannot see air. Yes, that is one of the property of air. We cannot see air, but only can feel it. But only you can feel it the air. Okay, so see the slide once again. So that means atmosphere. The blanket of air are covered on Earth's surface. Okay, the blanket of air are covered on Earth's surface and surrounds the Earth is called as Earth atmosphere. Students, see the slide. That is the Earth atmosphere. So the Earth atmosphere are present in the above the ground totally 12 kilometers. How many kilometers? 12 kilometers from the ground surface. The Earth atmosphere are present in it. Okay. So the Earth atmosphere is very important. Why? Because the air is filled in the Earth atmosphere layer only. Okay. So this is very important atmosphere because the all living beings exist on Earth. Okay. So the below the ground there is no air is found in it. Okay. Above the ground surface, totally 12 kilometers. The first layer of Earth atmosphere is occurring it. Okay, students. So take a book. Out of many other things, in the presence of air and water, that makes life possible on Earth. Okay, this point is accepted. Yes. So in this unit, we will learn how the presence of air makes life possible of our planet. Okay, so life is very possible. Why? Because the air and water present in it. Yes. So next paragraph, how does air sustain life on Earth? Students, listen the second paragraph. We eat food 3 or 4 times a day. Yes. Then we also drink water many times in a day. Yes, but there is one thing that we need every second of our life, and that is fur. That is, air is very important to this. Yes, so all living beings on earth need air to survive. This air is made up of different gases. Students, so air is one of the different kinds of matters, the gaseous form. Yes, it's a mixture of gases. Air is called as a mixture of gases. Mixture of gases. Okay. So what is the mixture of life? But air is a mixture of gases. So how many gases are mixed in it? You can guess it? Yes, very good. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, okay, oxygen O2, CO2 is the carbon dioxide, and N2 nitrogen, okay, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, and other gases are also present in air. Okay, so air is a mixture of gases. Okay, these are the main gases are present in air. Okay, so all living beings on earth need air to survive. So this air is made up of different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. So human beings and animals breathe in oxygen. Which gases humans or animals breathe in oxygen? The oxygen is the breathing all living beings. Yes, and breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is breathe out. Students, we can respiration process. We already know that. Yeah? Yes. So which gas we inhale in your nose? Oxygen gas. And which gas is releasing? Carbon dioxide gas. Okay. So breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide gas. Okay, breathe out carbon dioxide gas. And plants also take in the carbon dioxide gas and release oxygen gas. So plants, the humans respiration process opposite of the plants. The humans breathing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide gas. Same thing, the opposite of respiration process in plants, taking carbon dioxide gas and releasing the oxygen gas during the photosynthesis method. We already learned in second lesson plants. Yes. So the plants taking carbon dioxide gas and releasing oxygen gas during the photosynthesis process. Okay, students. So nitrogen is also used in different ways. Okay. So for example, plants need oxygen. Okay, plants need oxygen to grow faster. So plants grow. Oxygen gas is very important to plants growth. Okay. So oxygen gas, nitrogen gas is also oxygen. Carbon dioxide is very important for photosynthesis method, and also nitrogen is also need for plants growth. Okay, which gas is need for plants growth? Nitrogen gas is need for plants growth. Okay, so this means that the presence of all the gases in the air helps in sustaining life on earth. Okay, so students, today class we learn about what is meant by air and what is meant by atmosphere, what is meant by air around our planet. Okay, so atmosphere means, once again recall the concept. Atmosphere means, what is meant by atmosphere? Yes, the blanket of air or surround on Earth's surface is called atmosphere. So, next one, some of the small question we ask that you think it the answer. See the slide. Why is air important to all living beings? Students, think it the answer. Why is air important to all living beings? Yes, very good. All living beings need to survive on air. So, air is very important to all living beings. Come to the second one. Which gases is air made up of? Okay, which gases is air made up of? Yes, very good. Carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. Yes, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nitrogen gas is made up of air. Okay, totally the concept of today class. Recall that. So, what is meant by atmosphere? The matter of air surround on Earth's surface. So, what is meant by air? Air is a mixture of gases. Which gases? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. So, this is one of the natural resources. It's not a man-made resource, right? So, air is a mixture of gases. We need all living beings to survive on Earth. Okay. For example, plants, animals, human beings. Totally, all living beings need to survive on Earth. For example, the humans breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide gas. The plants also take in carbon dioxide gas and release the oxygen gas during the photosynthesis process. Right? Third one, plants oxygen gas, oxygen and carbon dioxide gas is very very important for plants, and nitrogen also very very important gas. Why? Because we need for plants growth. We need for plants growth. Okay, so nitrogen gas is also very very useful for plants growth. Okay, students. Now we shall the assessment part. Okay. Take your worksheet book, students. Take your worksheet book, page number 66. Take your worksheet book, page number 66, worksheet number 9. Worksheet number 9, air around our planet. I give you a counting, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Students, take the worksheet number 9, air around our planet. Okay, look at the first one, filling the blanks. Question number A, plants make food by using a gas called dash. Students, think of the answer. Plants make food by using a gas called dash. So, plants make food, which process? Photosynthesis method. Okay. So, plants make food by using a gas called dash. Which gas? You can identify the answer. Yes. Question number B, plants release a gas called dash during photosynthesis. Plants release a gas called dash during photosynthesis. Okay. Question number C, human beings and animals need dash to breathe. Human beings and animals need dash to breathe. Question number D, 3 important gases on our planet are dash, dash and dash. Okay. So, how many gases are present in air? You write the answer in this question. Okay. Question number E, dash is another gas that helps the plants grow faster. So, which gas is very very important for plants growth? Think it. Okay, shall we move the next one? Second topic, second question. What is atmosphere? What is meant by atmosphere? You already learned in this lesson, yes? So write the answer. Question number third. How does the atmosphere protect the earth? How does the atmosphere protect the earth? Question number 4. Label the 5 layers of the earth atmosphere below. Students, you can do it only 3 questions. First 3 questions, fourth question we will answering the next class. Okay, so only today we will answering the first 3 questions. Now we can go to the answer part. Okay, so look at first question answer. Plants make food by using a gas called dash, carbon dioxide. So which gas plants make food? Carbon dioxide gas we can use the make the food eat. Okay. B question, plants release a gas called dash during photosynthesis. Plants release a gas called dash. Which gas is released in photosynthesis process? Yes, very good. Oxygen. Question number B, oxygen. Students, write it the answer in dash part. Question number C, human beings and animals need dash to breathe. Human beings and animals need dash to breathe. Yes, which gases need to breathe? Yes, oxygen. Write the answer in third question. Oxygen. Question number C, answer oxygen. Question number D, three important gases on our planet are dash, dash and dash. So, what are the three important gases on our planet? Yes, present in the atmosphere, oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Students, write the answer. Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Question number E. Dash is another gas that helps the plants grow faster. Yes, very good. Answer is nitrogen. Answer is nitrogen. Question number A, answer carbon dioxide. Question number B, answer is oxygen. Question number C, answer is oxygen. Question number D, answer is oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Question number E, answer nitrogen. Okay, students, shall we move to the second one? What is atmosphere? Think it and write it. Atmosphere is a thick blanket of air that surrounds Earth. Okay, it protects us from the harmful rays, harmful sun rays. Atmosphere is a thick blanket of air that surrounds Earth. It protects us from the harmful sun rays. So, what is the uses of atmosphere? It protects us from the harmful sun rays. Question number third, how does atmosphere protect the earth? How does atmosphere protect the earth? So what is the atmosphere uses? It protects us from the harmful sun rays. So that is the first one. It protects us from the harmful sun rays, and it is also because of the atmosphere that our planet is neither too hot or too cold to live on. Okay, so the atmosphere sometimes very cold and sometimes very hot. So the weather and climatic changes are occurring in the atmosphere. So it protects the weather and climatic changes also protect our earth surface. So that is the main use of atmosphere. Okay, students, write the answer. Question number third. It protects us from the harmful sun rays. It is also because of the atmosphere that our planet is neither too hot or too cold to live on. Students, fourth question we will answer in next class. Okay. Students, once again recall the today's class. Did you understand the today's concept? Yes, today's concept air around our planet. This is a true statement. Yes, how to accept that? Because air is a mixture of gases and it is present in the atmosphere. So what is meant by atmosphere? The blanket of air or the covers surrounding on Earth's surface. Okay, so the air is a mixture of gases. What are the mixture of how many gases? Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Okay, so all living beings need to survive on earth. Air is very important. Yes, air is a very important natural resource that we need all living beings. For example, human beings take in or breathe in oxygen gas and breathe out carbon dioxide gas during the respiration process. Okay, and plants also breathe in carbon dioxide gas and releasing the oxygen gas during the photosynthesis process. Okay, and nitrogen also very important gas. For example, we need for plants growth. Okay, so nitrogen gas also very important for plants growth. It grows very faster. Plants also grow very faster. That we use nitrogen gas. Okay, so air is very important natural resource in our daily life. Okay, each and every second we need air. Yes, so we cannot pollute the air in our surroundings. Okay, so we do the correct activity in our daily life. We cannot pollute the air without any polluting activity. Okay, do not involve it. So students, did you understand today's concept? So air is very very important natural resources. We can save or pollute the air. Okay, we cannot pollute the air as a wrong way. So think it and guess it. Save the natural resources is our one of the important fact or our duty also in our daily life. Okay. Okay students, today class is over. Thank you.